She's an android, but she's also like a Majin Buu.
Well, let's see.
Let's see. What do you got? What do you got? Perfect. That was like.
Always. You just know it's gonna be good when you got the inhale burp.
Excuse me. There it is.
Honestly, I tell Miro this all the time. It's like,
Oh my god, excuse me.
Just expecting it when you're least prepared for it, and then
oh my god, excuse me, this kombucha. Sorry, keep going.
Through this pandemic.
Oh my god, excuse me. Not bothered.
Nasty.
She's graduated.
Ew. I didn't know it was gonna be that dank.
Sorry.
That was cute.
You like me, sir? I'm sorry, I just popped a blue in your face.
Well, that's a puppy. Oh. Ew.
Was that you?
Just kidding. We're gonna do it in 10 minutes. So my
Holy
God.
moly. Whoa, wow.
Yep. Get their laundry done, I guess.
And I burped really loud because I've been eating Sorry Dutch Kids.
Is that what happens?
Excuse me. That was a good one.
I like candy and the color blue.
I'm about to throw up right now. Nice. Hot. Oh, gotta get. Oh god. Come on. It's really hot. I had to get that big one out. I hate her. Okay, that's enough now.